Hi guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to link Gcash to TikTok Shop. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our Seller Center app, and then we're just going to scroll down and click Finance. And then as you can see there, the withdrawal button is disabled because there's nothing to withdraw. So we're just going to click on auto withdrawals option here because it's off. So we're going to enable that. And then we are going to click add bank account. I'm going to set our password. So just type in the password that you want to use and then confirm your password and then send a verification code and then just click submit. So just click enter password. And here you will be able to link your bank account. So just fill out this form here. And then once you're done with that, you're going to click submit. We don't have the Gcash payout method as of the moment, but if you're going to do your withdrawal here, so say for example, we're going to go to our TikTok account, then just go to your TikTok shop and then click commissions. The withdrawal button is disabled. Anyway, we can review the history. And there, as you can see, we made a commission on July 3rd and June 25th. So we're just going to click on withdrawals here. So as you can see, we made a withdrawal using our Gcash account or using the Gcash payout method with a service fee of 5.60 pesos. So you have two payout methods available, bank transfer or Gcash. So again, you will be able to see that once your withdrawal button is going to be available. So if you have available commission here, then you will be able to withdraw. So if the Gcash method is not available when you are going to withdraw, you just have to wait for a few days, or you can try the next day and check if the Gcash payout method is already available. So there you go. That's how you're going to link Gcash to TikTok Shop. If you have questions, type them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.